We're tracking the BSNL and MTNL asset monetization drive. Ashmit is joining in with the details. Ashmit?
Well, we're beginning to get glimpses of what this asset monetization drive may look like. To begin with, a committee of secretaries had been formed. It was headed by the cabinet secretary. What we understand is that they've opened up a non-auction route for other government ministries, government departments, and government agencies to acquire this land of BSNL, MTNL at market rates. This is the non-option route that has been contemplated. Under this route, interested departments, interested government organizations can express their interest on properties that they feel are lucrative for them, and then they can do so by going ahead and making a 2% earnest money deposit. But one thing is clear, that the decision that has been made makes it clear that this entire transaction, even if it happens will happen at arm's length between two government agencies. It will happen at the market rate. The market rate this decision was arrived at was very clear. How will this market rate be determined? Well, for assets below 10 crores, it will be MTNL BSNL themselves who will assign a market value. For assets above 10 crore rupees, it will be the CPWD that will arrive at the market value. And for assets north of 100 crore rupees, in those cases, the National Land Monetization Corp will be the one deciding the market rate, and this will be the rate at which the transaction will be done. Again, interested government parties can move ahead. They can make a 2% earnest money deposit of this market value and then can proceed with this transaction. What is important, however, is that there's a caveat. The caveat is that there is only a 90-day window within which the government agencies will have a right of first refusal. If there is no response coming in from the central government agencies, then after the completion of that 90-day period, those assets will be available for even non-government entities to participate. So that is something that MTNL BSNL will have to look at. A two-stage process. First stage, the central government agencies will have the ROFR, will have the first cut at the pie. Back to you.
Thank you very much for that. Stocks are excited. Pull up that MTNL up 7%. ITI, monetization of their land infrastructure will help them raise money, cut their losses, bring down their debt. So looking up for the stocks. Dipan Mehta is now joining.